game right now, buddy. That's a dangerous game, buddy. I need you to surrender that pillow.
What are you talking about?
Yeah. What do you call a crunch wrap with double the seasoned beef, a crunchy taco, and a large drink for just $5? Dunno, but it better be grand or grande. It's the $5 grande crunch wrap meal, only at Taco Bell. Yes.
My dad will see that I used one or whatever, because he'll see the packaging or something, and he'll be like, "Hey, you tried one of those fucking Jack's pizzas?" And I'll be like, "Yeah," and he's like, "How was it?" And I'm like, "It sucked," and he's like, "Yeah, it was $2," and I'm like, "Then why'd you buy it, Matt?" What the fuck? What are you thinking?
Hey, yo, next time your dad gets sick or something, just leave fucking NyQuil, but it's not actually NyQuil. It's just a bottle filled with dyed water in it, and then you just have a weird fucking label on it that's fucking chimps fucking NyQuil or something. And then you'll be like, "Hey, Dad, did you try? I see you tried that fucking chimps NyQuil." And you'll be like, "Yeah," and you'll be like, "How you feeling?" He's like shit," and you could just be like, "Yeah, it was $2." Pretty good, huh? It was $2, and then you just fucking walk away. It'll fucking smell bad. It'll actually stink my fucking entire bathroom. And I'll have to close my door so that it doesn't leak into my room.
Yeah, there's a reason toilets are made the way they are. There's a fucking water fucking piece, pretty much, that separates the shit tank from the room, and everything is supposed to go behind that waterlogged fucking pipe. The piss shall not ferment in the bowl.
Let it mellow, man. Just let it mellow.
Let it evolve, man. Come on.
Let it grow new little creatures in there.
Little sprouts.
New cultures are forming, man.
Little fucking arcs of piss.
Bowl sprouts.
Fucking bowl growers.
Dude, bull sprout, it sounds like a fucking enemy that you would come across in a video game.
An early fucking area video game enemy.
Yeah. An early fucking area video game enemy when you're in a fucking some kind of weird zombie game or some shit. Hollow Earth Lobby beta version launcher.
It's literally 100 megabytes or something for the total playable experience. Click the one with the N. Again.
Okay.
Man, they got Ryan for that?
What the fuck?
Bow. Suba take a mapa. Bow.
Subaru, my little ducky.
Yeah. FBK is also foxy.
Let's go! This is why I trust Ryan way more than you said.
Man, I don't blame you, I guess.
What the fuck? What, dude?
Elite screaming.
Why?
I fucking found this. Whatever the fuck this is.
What the? What? Oh my god! I
What just happened?
I forgot about that. Oh my god! Holy shit, dude! That's like ancient. That's like 5 years old. Oh my god! What, Rufus? Jen comes X. Oh. We're gonna play VR chat with Owen after this episode. If you want to join.
Oh boy. I just got the thing is I just got the cultures back on the bull sprout. It's not looking good, Ryan. You need to really drink more water.
Fuck. Oh man.
What am I? Am I
You have-
trees?
Bro, see Illuminati, dude.
You're Illuminati like with
Oh, I'm the
pyramid
Illuminati.
tits.
Owen is Illuminati confirmed,
I
guys.
have tits? No.
Yeah, look, hold on. Turn on this mirror over here.
Oh, I do have tits. Look at that.
Where's that?
Oh,
Little,
would you look at that?
What do you know?
where's that? Oh, there it is. I found it. Oh, there's two little critters. Somebody had hidden the other one. Here, go ahead, Ryan. Put it in.
Alright, what are we doing?
Put it in. What do you mean? Oh yeah.
Why did it go through?
There.
I mean, oh, there it
I-
goes.
It's not really sitting in, but there we go.
Oh, the royal fish. No. Oh, it's an eye.
You got this lo-fi mix in the background, dude? I'm gonna fucking...
Hey, what the fuck?
What?
That sounded so fucking genuine, man.
Oh my god, it's so dark. I need to... Fucking hell. I have like
In-
surround, or like
in
surround sound
memory-
and shit, and Logan like whispered in my ear. Look at that.
Ryan.
Yes,
Ryan.
What do you want?
Before we die, I need to tell you something.
What?
Don't tell anyone else.
Okay, what is it?
Nothing.
Ugh, I hope I don't vomit from the...
Oh!
Guys, right there, right there!
Right there, look.
Right there, look.
Look!
Look.
Did you see it?
In the
Did you
top
see
left-hand
it?
corner of the hallway. I like your tail, Hayden.
Catch that?
Thank you. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you.
Ah!
The what, man?
Oh, the what, man? Okay, that was stupid.
Yo, Owen.
What?
Owen, did you die?
This headset probably died.
Oh. He left.
I just saw like the shadow of a thing.
Good. Hopefully I'd die.
Guys, watch out. Watch out.
Oh, that was, why'd that distort?
Somebody really did just like repeatedly loop a staircase going down for like an hour.
So
They
dumb.
manually made that in a fucking map creator. And said, let's set this as the walk speed.
I'm on the barrier, guys. Watch me hit the fucking McTwisty. Oh shit. Oh, another door.
Yo, new door unlocked.
New door. How do
Holy
we go
crap.
in? Wait, let me look in.
New door? Yeah,
There's-
peek through.
There's a
peek through.
hall there. I don't know how to open it though.
Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can.
Basically, behind this door it is completely empty except for, I think, a floor.
Hello, Iron Giant.
Logan wall breaching like normal. I love my fucking
That's
the shadow. Fine, look up, look up.
Oh shit, let's go.
Oh, I fell. Hope you got a nice view for a minute though.
I did, but you are wearing decency shorts.
Well, that's because I am hired by Hololive. Here, let me see if I can.
Oh,
Can't lose any progress if we don't make any in the first place.
that's so true.
Let me just move my giant ass.
Oh wait. Oh hi.
The fuck?
I just did the face on the wall. I wish you could check where you are. This is so fucking.
Let me just move my
I don't even know.
giant ass.
We are definitely walking down a staircase.
Yeah,
That is true.
I want to quit.
Let me just move my
I think we can.
I hate
Hold on,
this.
there's a face.
There's no face even.
I can see the effects on my screen. There's gonna be a face.
That doesn't mean there's gonna be a face. It just means it's a dusty divot down here.
Maps. Fucking awful.
No, this is scary.
No, it's not, because fuck nothing has happened.
Don't you hear the noises? There's banging. My screen is going slightly red.
I don't care.
Aim's gonna be walking for another 5 minutes before anything else changes.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm scared right now.
Okay.
You know, Owen actually turned off his quest and ran behind his fucking bed. He's so afraid.
Oh, I found a face at the bottom and it teleported me all the way back to the top.
That's awesome, dude. Really,
What a good.
really, truly
map.
awesome.
I told you guys, you just had to stick in there a little longer and it would have been really scary.
Yeah, but yeah, it was really scary, wasn't it, Hayden?
Yeah.
You have a lolly at your feet, Aiden.
Okay, fix that.
I don't know where they went. Records est. What the fuck? What happened? Oh my god, the lolly started driving it. I'm outside of the car. Do you guys see this? Lolly, stop getting in my damn car.
Hi. No, don't honk at me. No, don't honk at me. Listen.
Oh shit, the bridge!
Oh
That's
shit,
so
the
fucking
storm.
true. So fucking true, Ryan. Holy shnikes, man.
Oh, pick it up. Damn it, dude, the storm got me.
Yeah, Champion Royale.
It shows like the fucking
Congratulations for
champions
the
thing.
Champion Royale.
Congrats, Hayden. Yeah.
Logan, who are you, man? Because I would fuck you, man.
I'm Ruby Rose from the critically acclaimed American animation series known as Ruby.
I understand. All right, I'm landing tilted. Storm, please kill him. Did I just hear somebody else?
I see them. They're in a tree. I don't know how it's by the jump pad.
Are we teaming up on their ass?
Yeah.
Where are they?
I think they just went in this building. Yep.
Hold on, quick, I gotta reset my bow cart.
Fuck! You cracked me.
Their fucking little avatar is so hard to hit.
Give me the fucking burst gun. Just pick it up.
They're in the damn storm. I cracked their ass. Hold on. Tactical Bocart.
Go, go, go.
Downed him.
Oh,
Okay,
shit, okay.
quick.
First VR
toggles.
kill.
Hold on. Fuck. Quick actions. Face. No. Emotes. Hold on. Expressions. Emotes. Fucking deep shuffling. Yeah, shuffling. Bocart on. Shuffling. Bocart animation off. Emotes. Take on me.
What are you doing? The storm!
Yeah, shotgun's really broken.
Third place? Oh, there's one more. I think.
Oh yeah, Logan.
Oh, it's
He's gonna
Logan.
ride a storm.
Because that guy, there's like some what?
Nothing is broken, and if you want to change views,
Logan is probably about to die to
click on
storm
this.
any
Yeah.
minute now.
No, I was talking about more the fact that one of the players
What? He's not.
Fucking.
seems a little bit
Oh my
iffy.
god.
Oh shit. Logan's gonna come kill my ass. I need to go get the shields off your
No,
body.
like,
Ryan.
this guy was like bending him, jumping, juking all over the place, and was
Oh god, I
bending
hear it.
kind
Oh
of
god.
like a. I don't know.
This guy
Yeah,
just said
because
someone
it
was
just
bending
look
and
at this.
juking all over the place.
That was
Mm.
me.
All right.
He thought you were suspicious.
Oh yeah, I'm
He's
definitely
cheating.
cheating. Yeah, that's so true. I'm definitely cheating in
I
fucking
like an
VR
avatar that's
Royale.
not bright blue and purple.
These people just don't understand what it's like to be Botan, the gaming FPS goddess.
Hey man, you're kind of sus in this. I'm not gonna lie.
Is he mad because I tactical Bocarded him? Is that really what that's what we're getting mad at these days? Oh,
Why did it freeze? Oh,
That's what I'm
fuck
saying.
you.
Oh, it froze for me too.
yeah,
Why
that's
is
what
it
I'm
doing
saying,
this?
man. Oh shit, there's two people pushing me. I'm picking up the shotgun. I don't care. Oh, I'm so dead. They're fucking teaming up on me. I need to run. I'm requesting fucking fire support, guys.
Where are you at?
I'm on the
Coming.
fucking wiggly road. Is somebody sniping at me, or I can hear somebody over there sniping?
Oh my god! Okay, I didn't think I would actually hit that.
Okay, sus reported. Oh shit, the zone is closing it. No, my gun! Fuck this game, dude. My rocket launcher just got deleted out of my damn hands. Cause I accidentally walked over a spawn I didn't even see.
Shit. Got him.
Mais quel ramasse-miettes.
Oh my god, I just deleted my shotgun too. Fuck this game.
Epic troll. Jumping on this pad makes me want to switch my weapon.
Did we get everybody?
Yeah.
Alright, time to just kill each other then. I do not have full health still. I don't know how to get health back. I know there's like little mini packs around, but I can't find a big pot anywhere.
Dude, oh my god, the fucking dual handing sucks so bad in this. It just makes the gun fly everywhere. Holy shit, dude.
dog is fucking barking, but I'm gaming, dude.
My dog is barking.
Oh, it's a storm. Okay, cool. I'm dead because I thought that this rock was thinner, and I tried to go around it.
Oh no, I'm in the storm.
Come on.
I'd rather be stuck in the storm than in this fart cloud.
Trying to find what you were talking about. I just turned it on.
Hey man, you wanna turn those sheets off, man?
Oh, there we go.
On your
I got it.
Come on,
I
dude.
got it. Thank you.
Another
limit it again.
desktop plan. Typical.
Everybody's raging when someone is winning. There's always an excuse. Oh, they're teaming up. They're on this stuff. They're this and that.
No, I actually have an aimbot installed. They're right, I am cheating. I'm also on desktop.
Don't fucking T-pose on me.
Sorry, that was disrespectful.
All right. Nova? I gotta go ahead and do something. I'll see you later, okay? Where are you?
Okay.
Why is he being such a fucking freak?
Bye, man.
Alright, man. I'll see you later, okay, man? Yeah, I gotta go on my own later a little bit. I'll see you in a little bit, though.
Hold on, I think my hand's frozen.
We go back to the sleeping lounge? Is that what this is?
I don't know if this is the same one or not.
It didn't make me download anything, so I think it is. Rest and sleep time.
Oh, it is the same one.
3 p.m. and you're going to sleep? I have a special avatar for this job.
Oh my god, do you hear this guy's crackling, or is that me?
No, I can hear it. He's so fucking with his headset or something.
Sorry. Had to use the restroom real quick.
I hate this.
They're bonging it, dude. They're bonging it.
Oh my god.
Yo, that sounds pretty healthy.
Oh, good.
Like, Logan.
Yeah, that sounds real healthy. The way you're coughing and choking.
It is.
I'm sure. I'm sure.
Ready, set, by the wind!
Really?
Okay, dude, what is this noise?
Nothing that mattered to you.
Just because you cough when you smoke weed does not make it unhealthy.
As a matter of fact, the more you cough, the more you get off, so...
I went upstairs to those people that were like so fucking mad that I said that smoking weed and like coughing your fucking lungs out, sounding like you literally have fucking like are on the brink of dying to COVID, sounded healthy. I literally just said, "Wow, that sounds healthy," and then they were like, "Yeah, it actually is. The more you cough, the more you get off. Do you know that? Yeah, it's pretty.
The more
fucking
you
healthy."
what?
Yeah, they were
The
just
more
like
you
really.
cough, the more you get off.
That doesn't make any. That's not how that works. They're just fucking
well,
stupid.
They were saying that to me. But anyway, I went upstairs to go see what they were doing, and the fucking woman goes, my pants are feeling kind of soap right now, so I think I gotta go change my pants."
What?
And the
They're
guy
feeling
goes,
soap?
and then the guy goes, "Oh, okay." And then she goes, "Yeah, I think I'm on that period thing."
She just bled through her fucking pants?
And then just like started leaving. Yeah, she said, "Give me 1 minute more. I gotta do something." And then he said, "Okay." And now we're.
And then you hear her period
What?
splurt through her pants.
What the
What,
fuck?
what was that?
Listen, man, I know I'm ugly. You don't need to bully me.
I don't think you're ugly. I think you just have like some kind of extreme disease.
I'm just joking.
I think you just have like, you just need to see a doctor, man. That looks, oh my.
It's a dangerous game right now, buddy. That's a dangerous game, buddy. I need you to surrender that pillow.
What are you talking about?
What?
Dude, my fucking leg. Motherfucker! You dumbass bitch! I tried so fucking hard to align those pillows! Oh god! No!
Ugh.
Stop it!
Wonderful weather we're having.
Ah!
Are you guys going trick or treating?
God.
I've turned this bitch into a
Are
gremlin.
you going
as
bull
I-
sprout mode?
What, man?
He's tried so hard and he's throwing all the pillows.
This game is fun.
Acquire these pillows.
Do you think there's like popular celebrities that are like
Right,
in
start
VR chat
scaling
right
the
now? Do you
fucking
think Brad
pillows,
Pitt is in
take them
VR chat?
downstairs.
I need to acquire these pillows.
Ryan, take all the pillows downstairs, whip them downstairs and shit.
Dick cheese eating bitch.
They're gonna be really upset, dude.
She's
called a big
literally
dick cheese
spoiled.
eating bitch. Also, the crunchy mic is back.
No.
Why are you taking my pillows? Why are you taking my pillows? Give that shit back. Why are you stealing them?
Ryan,
No.
run him, run him, run him, run him.
Run his fade.
Ryan's the pillow runner.
What does that mean?
Dude, I just got 3 pillows and they just took 2 from me. And the reason why is because I only have 1
I only have one hand, she says.
Here, bro. This is the only thing that's left. You can have it.
I don't really give much of a fuck.
Yeah, so basically, I don't give much of a fuck about your opinion.
Man, if I had VR shit, I would probably literally just be like trying to beat people's skulls with like bottles.
Penis and ball torture is the way to go. Follow your heart, now suck this dick. Follow this dick.
Bro, what the fuck are they talking about?
Some sort of
That's Ura Raka.
Say that to them.
That's
Gargura.
Ura Raka.
Maybe we should just close that. Maybe we should just.
Yo, that's Ura Raka. Hey, that's Ura Raka.
Ain't it?
That's an Uraraka, ain't it?
Hey, that's Ura. Hey, that's Ura Raka, ain't it?
That's an Uraraka, ain't it?
Hey.
Hey, are you Ura Raka? Hey, are you Ura Raka?
Hey,
Hey,
hey, are you
Ura Raka?
a rocker?
Hey, that's Ura Raka, ain't it? That's Ura Raka, that's why.
That's why.
It's a good sit. I don't see the.
That's Ura Raka, ain't it? That's Ochaka Ura Raka, ain't it?
Can I have that?
No.
No, Ryan's
Hey, that's
here.
my dress up darling, ain't it? Hey, that's.
I hate you.
They responded that.
Kiragawa Marin!
Ryan's making a girl laugh right now. I just need to let him do his thing here. Hey, look at this.
What are you doing?
See? Okay, when you get off the game, look that up, trust me.
Rengoku is in the room looking at the boards, dancing Israelis on the board, Hayden.
Where?
Makima-san! Makima! I didn't even hear what they said. I just ran past.
Don't skip the question. Are you 5? You're 5. You're 5.
No, come on.
Hello.
Get your ugly face out of here. Me, come on.
Whoa, man.
Deformed voice Denji trying to grope Makima right now.
What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Sounds awesome.
Hey Shad, I got a question for you.
I'm gonna draw on my table.
Okay, but I got a question for you, and then I'll give you the pen. Okay?
You can't do Fuck you! I'm gonna vandalize my table.
Can I ask you a question though, and then you can have the pen?
Of course, brother. Of course, brother. What's up?
Okay, why were there 7 actually more than that Israeli men found dancing after the events of 9/11?
Come on, man. I haven't slept for a while. I haven't slept for 5 hours. I have to do your shitty work. Dude,
What is
guys
wrong with
don't
this guy's
even do
voice?
work. Hey, it's the end of school. Get the hell out of here. Get the...
That's Uraraka.
Why is there a small character? There's a small thing walking.
What, a critter?
There's a
Oh
small
my god,
creature.
there is.
What's with the critter?
Ryan, stomp it, stomp it.
Oh, that's not even the critter I saw, but that's a smaller one.
Okay. If anybody's actually in this to RP or anything involved in that, what are your holiday plans?
This Makima, there's a rather disturbing person in the other room, kind of loud.
Cubbies at the entrance.
I can't hear you. The person in the other room is louder.
Okay, now let's talk about how drugs affect your life.
It sounds like they're beating each other.
If you see this, you're weed. But I'll tell you a way to... You want to take all that green stuff.
Why do you want to roll by a teacher?
In the plant and free drugs. You get paid, and I get paid for teaching you.
Hey.
Okay, your last lesson.
Would you like to take over the next class?
I will do anything for you, Makima. I'll do anything.
Do you hear that shit?
First, Jesus.
What the fuck?
What is
man?
going on?
Who the hell is... Person in the back. Person at the back. Cat girl. Cat girl. Cat robot. Sit down. You're meant to be sitting down. Weed. We are smuggling new weed. People say weed is bad. It's not true. They're telling you lies. You want to send the drugs into a plant. I got this guy. Okay, you see the plant? Everyone sees the plant?
Mr. Benji, excuse me.
Yes?
I was told that the more you cough, the more you get off. Is that true?
Do you mean bitches? Do you mean bitches or...
Well, we went to we went somewhere earlier. Me and my friend Kurogami here, and these people were rather loud, smoking weed on the mic. So they responded with that when we said it sounded unhealthy. So it was true.
Tell them. If they want to do weed, do it outside. Because if you do it in here, you're going to get caught easily. How do you do it? Stop putting in the plant. You may get a lot of cash. What do you want?
My energy died.
Oh my god, he's like 4.
Get this guy a Red Bull. Don't get him a Red Bull.
I got a burger. That's all. Here, I'll give him a burger.
We can sell that drugs. We can sell the
Here, eat the burger.
If someone, let's say, hey you Pandora, come here. Pandora, let me example.
He's pointing at you, I think. He just pointed at you to mute you, I think.
Come here. Now stop whooping his ass. Whoop his ass like it's no tomorrow.
What the fuck is this? What is going on? Whoop his ass! Whoop his ass like he's no tomorrow!
What?
There's a giant man staring through the window. The other one.
That's all for today. We'll be shortly. We're taking a break. You guys do your meth, your weed, your drugs, your family drugs, your college drugs.
What? Is there a difference?
College
You
drugs.
don't do drugs.
Well,
Well, she does.
you, detention. Come here,
Why?
detention.
Why?
You were late to class. Okay, I'll tell you something.
What? What's that?
You were late at school class. You were late in class. So detention, 1 hour of detention.
Alright, everybody, I just want to make it known. This teacher is a false prophet. They don't know how to speak Spanish. They pretend, but they don't actually know how.
Bro, I want a shamrock steak now, bro. Y'all got me thinking about food.
Every time. Every damn time.
Damn, man, the Ebonics is heavy with that one.
Mr. Denji Powers here.
You learn something, go to the other classroom. Show me.
I don't know where she went.
Where?
She was down here somewhere. She was walking around here, but I don't know where she went.
There's another fucking Denji Kun over here.
Don't let Makima control that ass.
Okay, come here. You're going to another classroom.
Why?
Buddies. Well, I'm gonna teach you something. I'm gonna start teaching you about drugs and how to ship those drugs.
I was in your class when you taught that already.
It took 2 hours just to get my stable back inside. I was hitting teachers. Okay, well, we're gonna learn about drugs. Actually, never mind. We're not learning about drugs. We're gonna learn how you survive a nuclear launch. Very useful.
Shut the fuck up! Alright guys, we're learning about the human penis today. It looks like this. I think I remember it.
I ran out of that room.
Jesus fuck.
I believe that school should be school and not some next top model, because in my country everyone would like flex, you know, their shoes, their makeup, you know, they would come, you know, girls, they would come with makeup in school. Makeup. Like, are you kidding me right now? You're
Makeup!
coming to learn. You're not coming to find a boyfriend or anything, you know, like, so at this thing, I kinda like the Japanese, you know, rules about that. I mean, you know, school is school. You should be a student. Like, you need to have the look as well. You don't, you know, like they go right now in schools with like bra, like, you know, with how, you know, you can see the, you know what I mean, right? Like, it's like a gym thing that, you know, the half of, you know, their breasts are out. Like that's the students now. Like, holy crap, that's no close to a student for me. You know, like.
No. Hold on, wait. He wants to clone?
What?
No, you wanted to know if I wanted to clone his, I think.
So, like, you know, I mean, you know, I would like.
There's shit going on in the corner behind the school. What?
They're fucking.
Hey guys, I'm playing virtual reality. There's a bunch of outside, guys. Oh shit! Wow,
Get
he's
fucked,
like
moron.
right. I'm playing virtual reality. See, look, I brought it to school. My mom said I could. You feel so real, man. Can I touch you? Wow, so realistic. I love this game. Thanks, Mom. Thanks for letting me bring it to school.
What a moron.
Just stare at.
What are
niggas
you
on-
doing?
My son's calling
No,
me.
before you go.
My son's calling me. Before you go. Your son can wait. Listen. Your son can wait. Before you go. Go in. Right.
Where'd you go?
Portal.
Portal where?
Well,
back
they
here?
haven't gone in. Never mind. They haven't gone in.
My
Gah!
sucked.
Little Gaw.
Gaw. Gaw.
It's Gaw and Mori.
Real students posters like
Look, it's Gaw and Mori. I love Hololive. Gaw. Gaw Gura. Why don't they care? Why don't they care? Gaw.
It's different here. It has paper.
Gaw.
Miss Gaw and Gaw. Neko form. Oh my god.
Miss Gura. Please come. Please come here, Miss Gura. Nekoark.
Nekoark. Nekoark. Oh, oh, oh.
Steal that shit. Copy that man's avatar.
I can't.
USS Liberty.
Did you hear that?
Wait, what did he say?
He just said, USS Liberty. What the heck? Oh, they portal.
Enter. Yes. Quick, go in while they're not paying attention. Quick. Why did it load so quick? Have we been here before?
Yes. Oh, it's this.
Oh my god, we're gonna watch a show with them. That's so adorable.
But like hide in like a corner. Hopefully they'll be in like a room. Hopefully they don't see us.
They'll see us as we joined though, right?
Well, they may have walked forward or something into another room. That's what I'm hoping.
I feel like it says like Skinwalkers joined your thing though.
Why did you two follow?
Chatter in the skull. Perpetual and compulsive repetition of words. Of reckoning and
I'm trying to, but it won't let me have the
You two,
kick
they want to
button.
talk by themselves, so you guys need to go.
Like everything
Are
else,
you free?
You can try to kick
Mhm.
them. You might be the wrong one.
but a bad master.
Yeah, I think you are.
And all so-called civilized peoples have increasingly become crazy and self-destructive. Because through
What is this like fucking music that's playing?
that's to say, we can choose science.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
What just happened?
With the drop.
Hi, friends.
Oh, it's a quiz. Sorry, a world for Japanese speakers. Good luck, have fun.
Huataku, can you come back? I need your help on this quiz. I don't speak Japanese that well yet, and I'm trying to learn, and I need your help ASAP. So can you come back and help?
Okay, so there's red, black, white, green is what I can read. But I don't know what it's asking the color of. I'm gonna assume it's the walls, so white. Okay, I was right. Sanma no... What? It's just fucking... Oh, do I gotta fill in the blank? It's like 3 circles. Fuck. Okay, I'm not gonna get this. I got it right. I have gained access.
You did?
Yes. There's a door. Oh my god. What is going on
Wait,
here?
what the fuck?
What the fuck? There's just people sleeping. It's a sleep world.
Jesus Christ. Okay, maybe you'll know this one. There's a big circle.
It says Tonari no Toto and then a blank, and you have to fill in the last one. So it would be bottom right. It's talking about My Neighbor Totoro.
Correct. Oh, I accidentally clicked into the game when I was trying to send the next one in Discord, and it was right. So I'm here.
Oh, cool.
Dude, the sleeping pods are so sick. Yo, I can go in here and I can sleep in this pod, Ryan, and then you have this lady's hair like coming down, and you can sniff it all night long.
Hair.
Can we wake up Kaguro? He needs to see this.
Koguro, okiru, okiru. Okiru wo kudasai. Koguro-san.
They're gonna wake up and fucking hit us.
Oh my god, they're moving. They're moving. They're moving. Did they wake up? Did they just wake up? Did I just wake him up?
Please wake up, Kaguro.
Oh my god, I woke him up!
I'm gonna close the door.
Oh my god! Okiru, okiru.
Don't wake him up again.
2年6月 shinderu.
What do you say?
2 years 6 months you pass away.
Grab the fucking point at the message for him. Make him read the message.
読んでください。そのメッセージを見てください。
They're nodding, maybe? No. Shit's straight up broken. Shit don't even work.
Hey,
Where'd you go?
I need help.
What? Where'd you go? Well? Where'd you go?
So, I'm outside of the house.
How? Oh, How'd you get there?
So, can I put this through the wall? Okay, what I basically did is, I sat on the Roomba, and then grabbed the Roomba, and tried to throw it while I was sitting on it.
Okay.
And I'm outside and there's like a forest.
Wait, can you put it through the wall?
Maybe, like, I'm putting it by this cat that's on the wall floor. Can you grab it through the wall or anything?
I can see it, but...
I dropped it.
Okay, sit. Okay, now grab it. Can you grab it?
I'll try and grab it. Okay. Well... Oh, okay. Shit, I got you out. Grab. Why does it only want my left hand? Okay. Got a good angle. Nice angle, and you two kind of fucking sniffing.
Oh yeah, you like that dog?
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah, you're right. It's actually
It's heavy.
It is heavy. I don't know why. Okay, you get off. I want to show you what happened to me though. Okay, and
Oh, what the hell? Oh, what? Oh my god, where are you? Oh my god!
I can't see the map where I am right now. Oh, I do see it. Okay, let go. Here's the map. I lost the map.
I think you're gone, man.
Oh, I respawned.
Yeah, you threw yourself really, really fucking far. By the way, this is scarier than whatever that fucking SCP world was.
Yeah.
What is
Beautiful.
this?
Beautiful trees.
Why is the like ground like Minecraft build? I'm playing Castle Miner Z right now, man. I still find it utterly shocking that there is a Japanese world locked behind 2 random questions in Japanese that only Japanese people are allowed to go to sleep together. Utterly incredible.
Oh my god, what the dude, it was light outside when I put my headset on.
Oh man. You've been gaming for too long, man.
What time is it? It's 6:11. Fucking this recording, oh my god, 5 hours in the brain dance. Holy shit.